We are going to take a look at Similarity Checker in Google Docs through Turnitin Draft Coach. You are going to open your Google Doc. You will then select Extensions. You will look on the menu and select Turnitin Draft Coach. When you open Turnitin Draft Coach, a panel on the right will open up and you will see the different options. In this video, we're going to look at how to use Similarity Check. You will find the Similarity Check card, select Go to Similarity, and at this point, it will describe the Similarity Score Check feature. There is an option, a link that says, how should I use these checks? Click on that link first, as it will guide you through the decision that you have 3 similarity checks. When should you use them? And it'll give you information about that. You will then select back to Similarity Check. And when you are ready, you will select Run Similarity Check. At this point, there will be a warning or prompt that says, if you run this, this will be the first of your 3 checks that are allowed. You can run 2 more. You can only run 3 similarity checks per document. If you're not ready to use that check or one of those 3, select cancel. If you're ready to continue, select confirm. It will say a warning not to edit your text while it is running, so it will be accurate. And then it will show your similarity score. Once you see this score, you will see a question mark next to it. If you click on that, it'll take you to the help page that will explain kind of what to do with those scores, how to interpret them. You also have another link that says, what should I do with my score? Here, it will give you additional information that'll help guide you through your score. When you are ready, select back to Similarity Check. This will take you back to your score. And if you look at the bottom of that panel, you will see a button that says View Full Report. Select that to open a new tab to see your paper in the Turnitin screen, to look at more details about what was highlighted as being similar to other online sources. If you click, for example, on the first one, it will show you what was tagged as similar, and it will identify what it was flagged against. You can decide to exclude it, so you're just going to ignore that similarity check. Maybe it was because it was a prompt, or maybe it was because it was a writing prompt. You can decide that you want to actually view the whole text. So you want to see where the similarity was, how it was flagged in somebody else's information. When you are done, you can return to the tab that has your paper and start making changes to your text. You can also look at those similarities right within this panel. Either way, you want to go through and make edits. You ultimately want your similarity score to be low percentage. Some similarity is expected, but the higher the similarity, the less original your writing is. That is a brief overview of the Turnitin Draft Coach Similarity Checker in Google Docs.